All right, guys, it's Mr. G again. So this is your second part of this, and this is looking again at checks and balances, but looking at determining which branch has the power over a different branch. And it gives you a statement, and then you have to determine. So let's look at what the letters mean first. So the E's stand for the executive branch. That's your president, vice president. Your L is for legislative. That's the House, Senate, Congress. And the J is the judicial. That's your Supreme Court. So let's look at number one together. And again, let's remember, you can answer these on separate sheet of paper and take a picture. You can do this in a Word document, whatever works best for you. But let's look at number one. It says Congress has the power to impeach the president. So that's saying Congress has power over the president. Well, Congress is legislative and president is executive. So that would be legislative is greater than executive. So that answer would be C. All you would do is either write C or write L is greater than E, because L would be over here for the Congress and E is on top of the president. The second one says the Supreme Court can rule laws unconstitutional. Well, first you got to know who writes laws. Well, that's the legislative branch, so that would be the L. Well, the Supreme Court is the judiciary branch. So the judiciary branch is over the legislative branch. So that would be F. J is over or greater than L. You would write F or write your complete answer down. So you just have to determine which branch they are, and then in each statement, which one has the power. Let's do one more together. So it says the president appoints Supreme Court justices. So the president is executive, and Supreme Court we know is judicial. So that would be he appoints it, he's got that power. So that would be E for president, for executive, has the power over the judiciary. That is E greater than J. So the answer would be B. So I hope this helps a little bit. We did 3 together. So that means you got 15 on your own to do after that. So it should go pretty quick, this, but it is just, again, some practice. It'll get things in your head, linking branches of government and those checks and balances and who has power over what other group. And it's all, remember, in our government to make sure that no one branch has the authority, the complete authority to make decisions. Everybody checks each other. All right, good luck. Again, if you need more help, let me know.